I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located here in Warren, Michigan. And I'm here to talk to you today about how farmers can get debt relief in this current day and age. A lot of farmers, like everybody else, are dealing with real pressures due to economic conditions, and especially with the drought that a lot of folks have been dealing with, and some of the pressures. Sometimes it gets hard to meet your daily expenses and the debt payments that you have to make. And one of the things that people have found especially annoying is the fact that a lot of time you have mortgages on your home that are way more expensive than the home itself is worth. And that can be a real annoyance to a lot of people, especially where you're trying to manage these payments at the same time that, that you have all these other expenses to pay. And I'm here to tell you about something called Chapter 12 bankruptcy. It's a federal law that is specifically aimed at farmers and at fishermen. And essentially what the law allows us to do is it allows us to strip second mortgages off your home. It allows us to totally redo your first mortgage to make it more equal with the amount that the property is actually worth as opposed to what you owe on it. It allows us to change your mortgage payments and your interest rate. It allows us to essentially redo the other debts that you have and make a payment that's affordable to you over a period of time. It allows us also to deal with tax debt potentially, and sometimes even eliminate interest and penalties in some of those cases. So there are a lot of things that we can do through Chapter 12 bankruptcy that we cannot do really in virtually any other way. It is a specific chapter that is aimed at farmers and fishermen, and to qualify, you need to have at least 50% of your income coming from farming, or from the growth of some crops, or from the raising of certain livestock. And you have to have at least 50% of your debt coming from your farming operation. Now that debt, by the way, does not include your home. So say, for example, you've got a very substantial mortgage on your home, and you've got some debts related to your farming operation. Even though your mortgage, which is primarily for your living expenses, is very large and really dwarfs the size of the other debts that you have, that debt doesn't count at all. So you only have to focus on the other debts to determine whether you qualify for Chapter 12 bankruptcy. We have filed Chapter 12 bankruptcy cases, and we've been very successful in many kinds of bankruptcy cases, including helping people deal with mortgages on their homes and on other property. If you want to find out more about some of your options, please feel free to give my office a call. We offer free consultations. I'd be happy to meet with you personally to discuss these options. The number is 586-693-2000, and our website is financiallawgroup.com.